Mr. J, welcome back. I'm now going to do code.org web lab lesson 19 linking pages level 5. So we're talking about navigation bars. So navigation bar is a bar across the top of your page or down the side of your page, usually the top or left side, that has all of your links that link to all the pages in your website. And they stay on every page so that you know exactly where they are and you can go back and forth between all of them, or they stay at the top of your page. So most websites use navigation bars to help you find your way around a site. They should be the same on every single page. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to look over the navigation bar on index.html, and then you're going to add the same navigation bar on the other three pages. Okay, so we know what we're going to do, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. We only have 4 pages. If I click on unicycle, it takes me to the unicycle page. But now I don't have the navigation bar on this page, and I have no home button, so I have no way of getting back to my home page or any other page. So I'm just going to click here, go back to index, and I'm going to check the other links, bicycle, and this one doesn't have it. So go back to the index, click on tricycle, and this one doesn't have it either. So we're going to these pages from the index or the home page, and then we're not able to go anywhere else because there's no links on these individual pages. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go back to the index.html page, and I am going to copy all of these. But before I do that, I want to add one more link, because I feel like if I go to the other pages and I want to come back to the actual home page, I'm going to need that. So I'm going to copy line 6 and paste it. And then instead of doing unicycle, I'm going to do the index.html. Gave me an extra HTML, so let's get rid of that. And then instead of unicycle, I'm going to say, I'm just going to use home. Okay. Or I could do lists, because that's the title of the page, all of the lists. Okay. And so now that I have that, it automatically appears, and it's going to bring me back to this actual page. So when I click on it, that's weird. It's showing up as a unicycle. Let's refresh that. Okay, there we go. And when I click on it, it brings me back to this page. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm going to copy all 4 of these links, and then I'm going to go into each HTML page, and I'm going to paste it right in the same spot. So since this one's underneath the title, I'm going to do the same underneath the title of every other page. And so in between the H1 and the P, I'm going to paste those links. And then I'll go to the tricycle page and do the same thing. And go to the unicycle page. And do the same thing. And refresh and save. There we go. So now, any page I go to, so I'll go to the unicycle page. Look at that. The navigation bar is there. Click home, goes back. Click bicycle. Click home. Click tricycle. Remember that after you write your code, you should always check your links. Click on every single link you have. Make sure that they work on every single page. Don't assume that no page has that your pages don't have a mistake. You have to test it. You don't want to create a website and then someone's on it and they click and it doesn't go anywhere, or it goes to a page that doesn't exist. People are going to leave your website and not want to be on it because they don't think that it's not well done, so why would I want to come to it? Okay? All right, so that is that for level 5. And I think we have a good understanding of links And so level 6, you're on your own for. You will be doing, in fact, let's just go to it here. And I'll give you a little precursor to what you need to do. This is the, level 6 is the level that will be graded. So you're going to need to make sure that you have all of the parts from the do this section. So you're going to make a multi-page website. You'll need to add multiple pages to your project. To practice, let's split the content on this sample page into 2 pages and link them together. So I'm going to split the content of this one page and link them together into a 2-page website. So I'm going to add a new HTML file by clicking Add HTML. The new file will appear in the files list on the left side of the workspace. Rename the file either by right-clicking it or choosing Rename, or by clicking on it when it's already highlighted. Make sure the name is unique, descriptive, and ends in HTML. Use the HTML to fill out your new page. You can use content from the main page. So basically you're going to copy half the stuff from this page and put it on the new page, and then have a 2-page website. And then link your new page from index.html, and then link back the index from your new page. Okay. So honestly, for me, the easiest way to start, I would say, I guess you can't do that, never mind. Thought you could duplicate it, but. So you're gonna add HTML, name it, take half the info from this page, put it onto the new page, and then make sure they have a link from one page to the other. So basically, go to this page and then a home button. All right, so that's what I'll let you work on your own. You should be able to do that on your own, and then that's what will be graded for this lesson. All right, see you next time.